So what we have here is a pencil and a needle attached to the pencil, and it's been attached so that as we rotate the pencil, the needle will rotate around. Notice that the pencil is vertical but the needle is not vertical. So you can see now that it's inclined at a 45-degree angle. And our goal is to keep the pencil on the table like this and rotate the pencil, and as we rotate the needle will rotate, and we have here a sheet of paper, and we want to see where the needle will touch the sheet of paper as we rotate the pencil. So as we rotate the pencil, for instance here, the needle is touching the sheet of paper right at the top of this hole that we've cut, and note that we've cut a hole in the shape of a curve, it's not a straight line, and the needle is touching the sheet of paper right at the top of this hole, and see what happens as we rotate the pencil. So as we rotate the pencil, the point where the needle is touching the sheet of paper is coming down. It's coming down and it's down to the middle now, and as we rotate it further, you'll see that the point where the needle is touching the sheet of paper is right at the bottom, and now the needle is behind the paper. So let's do that once again. Let's bring it back. Okay, here we go. So we've got the needle touching the paper right at the top of the hole that we've cut, and as we rotate, it's touching right in the middle, and as we rotate further, it's touching right at the bottom, and it's gone through. So you can see that as you rotate the needle, the place where the needle hits the sheet of paper actually starts out here, travels all the way down here, and ends out here, and then the needle is behind the sheet of paper. Notice that if we had left the needle to be vertical, so instead of angled like this, if it were vertical, then it would hit the sheet of paper like this, and the hole then that you would have to cut would have been a straight line. But by angling the needle at 45 degrees, very interestingly, you have a very straight long needle, but the hole that you have to cut on the sheet of paper to let the needle through is actually a curve and not a straight line. Can you figure out what this curve is?